Claude is smart, but it can't see live retail prices. LemmeBuyIt fixes that with one connector URL. Here's the full setup from sign up to your first product lookup. The whole thing takes 3 steps and about 2 minutes. Sign up free. Paste the connector into Claude. Then verify with a single question. Step 1. Create your free account. The free plan includes 50,000 requests a month. No credit card required. Go to LemmeBuyIt.com and click Start Free. Sign up with Google or with your email. You'll land on a dashboard with a checklist that tracks your setup. Step 2. Copy your connector URL. On the dashboard, scroll to connect your agent. Choose the Claude tab and click Copy. Now open Claude. Go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Name it LemmeBuyIt, paste the URL, click Add. OAuth signs you in automatically, no API keys. Claude now shows the full LemmeBuyIt toolkit. Step 3. Verify the connection. Ask Claude to look up any product. Here, we asked for Nintendo Switch prices at Walmart. Claude searches live inventory and returns real products, prices, and SKUs in about a second. That's 80+ retailers on tap. Live prices and stock, Amazon ASIN matching, full price history on paid plans. Start free at LemmeBuyIt.com. 50,000 requests a month, no card required.